Let's be honest. Have you looked in the mirror lately and thought, why is my skin getting darker? Girl, you are not alone. Let's talk about 10 sneaky reasons your glow might be playing hide and seek and how we can bring it back naturally. Hey y'all, I'm Angie Styles. So if your face or body is looking a little darker, dull or uneven, don't panic. Your skin isn't mad at you. Yes, it's just reacting to something. And once you figure that thing out, that glow is coming right back. Yes, your skin, your brightness will be back. Okay? So let's start with number one. The number one reason is sun exposure. Even when you are inside on a cloudy day, do you know that those sneaky UVA rays pass through windows and still hit your skin? Yes, so if you are somebody that sits by a window all day and you skip sunscreen, you don't use sunscreen, like I always say, use sunscreen if you know you are going to be out there or exposing yourself to heat. Always use sunscreen. If you don't use sunscreen, your skin is going to show it. That's for sure. So to fix this, use SPF 30 or higher every day, even if you are working from home. Number two reason is hormonal changes. Pregnancy, birth control, stress, all that can trigger dark patches called melasma. Okay? But don't worry. Products that contains ingredients like tranexamic acid, Alpha Arbutin, and Niacinamide can help fade them gently. Okay? Yes, just products that contains the right ingredients. Over time, you will see results because consistency is your bestie here. Okay? Consistency is always the key. When you are treating your skin, you have to be very, very patient. Then the number three reason here is post-inflammatory hyperpigmentation. Acne scars and dark spots that just won't quit. When your skin heals from pimples or rashes, sometimes leaves a dark reminder. So hands off your face. Do not touch your face. When you have pimple, you have acne, do not touch your face. No picking, no squeezing. Just treat it with the right product and let your skin do its thing. Then number four reason is friction and tight clothing. We always neglect this, but friction, those dark inner thighs or underarms, is from tight clothes or constant rubbing. So what to do? Loosen up a little. Exfoliate gently and moisturize with something soothing like brightening lotion that contains safe natural ingredients or body butter. Yes. Then number five reason is dehydration. I always say this. Drink water because your skin also is thirsty. So when your skin is thirsty, it looks dull, rough, and darker. I don't know if you have ever noticed this. So drink up and feed your skin too, okay? Simple fix is to drink up and feed your skin. Use products like hyaluronic acid serum and lightweight moisturizer to seal the deal, okay? But most of all, drink water to keep your skin hydrated. Then number six reason is over exfoliation. Yes, doing too much. Over exfoliating or using too many actives can mess up your skin barrier. I don't know if you know that. And instead of glowing, you start looking patchy or darker. So chill up, glow queens. 1 to 2 exfoliation per week is plenty and should be enough. Okay? Don't overdo it. Then number 7 reason is medication side effects. Some medications like birth control or antibiotics can cause pigmentation changes. If that's your case, chat with your doctor, okay? Please, I am begging, don't self-diagnose or stop medicines on your own, especially if they are prescribed by your doctor. Okay, number 8 reason is poor diet and vitamin deficiency. Yes, what you eat matters. I always say it. 70% inner and 30% external. What you eat matters, so too much junk and not enough nutrients can make your skin dull and uneven. So it's a simple fix. Load up on fruits, veggies and water. Your skin literally eats what you eat. Okay, so feed it the right thing. Then number 9 reason is heat and inflammations. Yes, constant heat exposure. If you are always near stoves, steam or even hot weather, your skin can react with dark patches. That's for sure. That's why I always say stay away from heat and stay away from rays. Okay, so to fix this, just cool your skin with something like aloe vera or green tea. Like if you're somebody that works under the heat or near heat or cooks a lot, cool your skin with aloe vera, green tea, and stay away. Take break from that heat. Don't always stay there. And number 10 and final one is harsh bleaching products. Yes, so say no to bleaching creams. You dey hear me? Sis, put them down. Those bleaching cream, put them down. They might lighten your skin for a while, but trust me, rebound darkening hits harder later. That's for sure. So what do? Stick to safe brightening products that contains ingredients like Alpha Arbutin, vitamin C, kojic acid, niacinamide, and Tranexamic Acid, and other natural brightening ingredients. Your skin will thank you later. So you see, darker skin doesn't always mean damage. It just means your skin needs a little TLC, that's tender loving care, and consistency too. Don't be in a hurry. Give it love, feed it well, protect it from the sun, and your glow will be back before you know it. Okay? And if you are ready to speed up things, like you are ready to speed up things and you don't have time to go start making your own product, my favorite, the new Style Secret Creamy Milky Brightening Kit. This product is packed with safe brightening ingredients to fade discolorations and give you that even radiant tone naturally. You just have to be patient and be consistent with it. Not using one batch and start complaining it didn't work. So if you want this product, click the link in the description to get it and start your glow journey today, babe. Okay? Alright guys, if you found this video helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up, share it with someone who is struggling with dark patches, and subscribe for more natural skincare tips and secrets that I will be dropping here. Okay, so if you want me to share a formula or recipe, drop it in the comments. Also let me know the type of recipe or formula you want me to share, and I will share it here. Your glow journey starts with one click. So hit that subscribe button and the notification bell button if you haven't done so already. Let's glow together. So that will be it for today's video. Stay naturally beautiful. Right?